Are you struggling with acne? Certain foods may be the culprit. Let's explore 5 foods that can aggravate acne. 1. Dairy products. Milk and cheese could trigger breakouts due to hormones. Alternatives. Almond milk or coconut yogurt can provide a non-dairy option. 2. Sugary foods. High sugar intake can increase inflammation and oil production. Alternatives. Opt for fruits or dark chocolate to satisfy sweet cravings. 3. Refined carbs. White bread and pastries may lead to a spike in insulin. Alternatives. Whole grains like quinoa or whole wheat bread are better choices. 4. Fried foods. These can lead to increased oil production and clogged pores. Alternatives. Try baking or grilling your meals for a healthier preparation. 5. Chocolate. Some studies suggest that milk chocolate may worsen acne. Alternatives. Dark chocolate can be a better choice with lower sugar content. Consult your dermatologist for personalized advice on managing acne through diet. Eating healthy can help improve your skin's condition over time. For more guidance, check out tips from trusted health bodies and research findings.